Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Asana Sales or Support. To do that is super easy. Once you're inside your account, look to the upper right, you have a question mark. Click on it, help with Asana. You can choose to contact sales from here. As you can see, you'll be able to fill in your details here, or you can say ask with Asana AI anything and basically check to see whichever option works for you. But fill in your details here to contact sales. As well as I was showing you, you can also contact support. So if you click the question in the upper right hand side, you can simply say contact support. It's going to open up a new window for you. And from here, you will see that it's going to sign you into the Asana help. Sometimes it takes a moment to sign you into the Asana help center. You will be able to once it does, it will redirect you so that you can search a forum, or you can just simply use the chat on the lower right hand side. So you click on that and it's going to open up the chat, and you can just start sending your messages to Asana support. And that's it. Very easy and very simple. Keep in mind that this is a bot, but if you need to continue to speak to a real agent, it will eventually allow you to raise a ticket, or allow you to and also allow you to contact an agent. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and contact Asana Sales or Support. Very easy and very simple.